Hey everyone, and welcome back. Today I want to take you on a little journey, a trip back in time to a different era, a different rhythm of life. Imagine this: 100 years ago, food wasn't just fuel. It was a ritual, a celebration, a cornerstone of family and community. Think about it, meals were slow, intentional, made with hands that cared deeply. Families gathered around sturdy wooden tables. Every dish, from the bread baked in stone ovens to the meat roasted over an open fire, was made from scratch. Ingredients came fresh from the backyard garden or the local market. Vegetables were simply seasoned with salt, herbs, and a generous helping of patience. There were no instant noodles, no drive-thrus, no energy drinks. Just pure, honest food that told stories of the earth, of tradition, and of the people who prepared it. Food then wasn't rushed, it was an experience to savor, from preparation to the very last bite. Now, fast forward to today. The world has sped up dramatically, and our food has raced right along with it. We eat on the go, often ordering with a quick tap on our phones, sometimes finishing a meal before we've even truly tasted it. Burgers, fries, processed snacks, endless digital deliveries. Everything is designed for speed, for efficiency, but perhaps less for connection. Our kitchens often feel quieter now. Our recipes are shorter, simpler, and sometimes, just sometimes, our food feels a little less alive, a little less soulful. This makes me wonder, have we truly improved our relationship with food, or have we simply replaced something meaningful with convenience? We've certainly gained speed and ease, but have we, in the process, lost something vital: the flavor of time, the comforting smell of real cooking, the pure joy of anticipating something truly worth waiting for? A century ago, food didn't just fill your stomach, it fed your soul. Today, it often feels like it's just feeding our schedule, fitting into our busy lives. So, I'm genuinely curious what you think if you had to choose. Would you pick the rich, slow taste of tradition or the lightning-fast speed of now? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I love hearing from all of you. If you enjoyed this journey through food history, please give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more conversations like this. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.